How to change language in Google search. So in this video we'll be learning about how to change language in Google. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, locate your Google application and then open Google. On this section you have to select the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on the settings option. On the settings page, you'll need to scroll down and then tap on other settings. When you open it at the first only, you will find language and region. You don't need to scroll anywhere. So let's open it. Here you will see the two options to search language or search region. So let's open search language, and here you can easily scroll to the bottom of the screen and choose any language that you want to change in Google. For now, we can scroll down and let's select English United Kingdom. Or else you can select any one of your choice, and once you have done that, you can come back to the same page and refresh the page once. Once you have refreshed, you will find that your language has already been changed on Google. So that's how we do it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.